In this video, I'll show you how to connect Claude AI to TradingView. So let's get started. First, open Claude AI and sign in to your account. Once you're on the main screen, click your profile icon in the bottom left corner and select Settings. In the left sidebar, scroll down to the Connector section, then click Add and select Add Custom Connector. Now, enter a name for your connector, such as TradingView. Next, you'll see a field labeled Remote MCP Server URL. Open TradingView and copy the required MCP server URL. Then return to Claude AI and paste it into the Remote MCP Server URL field. After entering the required information, click Add. Claude AI will save the connector and connect it to TradingView. Once the setup is complete, TradingView will appear in your list of connected connectors, confirming that the connection was successful. And that's how you can connect Claude AI to TradingView.